All right. So, hey, air conditioning right now is kind of a hot topic, if you will. At the parts stores, I noticed the other day they have these air conditioning do-it-yourself kits where you can recharge your own air conditioning. I'd say for most, it'd probably be best to stay away from those. Air conditioning is pretty complicated. You need to make sure you're using the right gas in your system. There's several different gas types that are available. I don't know that you can buy the R12 anymore, but that's still out there, and occasionally we do see it. But the R134A and the YF and all of the crazy gases that are out there to recharge your air conditioning system, stay away from the sealers. I saw some of that on the shelf. It's a recharge and seal kit. Those things really don't work. They're patching things up. Also, there's a big danger that you can overcharge your air conditioning system. So if you're not super familiar with it, bring it to us. We can help you out. We can give you an honest assessment of what your vehicle needs, the repair costs, and go ahead and repair the leaks properly before we evacuate and recharge the whole system. And that's kind of a public service announcement. It kind of scares me when I see people messing around with things that could hurt them. I just want to help you guys out. If you're real comfortable with it, and you know what you're doing with the air conditioning, it's okay to go ahead and recharge it that way. Not something I would recommend if you have any questions about it, or if you're reading through it, or watching YouTube to figure it out. Just be super careful. They're a dangerous system if you overcharge them.